Hi friends, this is Prasad. Today let's discuss upon the latest February 2024 updates. Let's go with the very first. If you see this, we can hide inner borders. What does it mean by? If we enable borders to our column charts, if you see that, you will see this inner borders where you can hide this inner borders between the stacks. So this particular hide inner border options in borders. The next update is space between series. When we are using clustered column charts, if you see this, there is no gap or space between the columns. And using the space between series in the layout options, right, you can see this space between series. Using this, you can enable space between columns. Right. And if you see this overlap option, right, this is the earlier facility that we do have. This is the overlapping option, which is inspired style, where you can overlap the columns using the overlap option in the layout. And the next update is Flipover. What does it mean by when we overlap the columns, you can flip it. In general, like it will be stacked from overlap from left to right. If you see here, right, from left to right. When you flip the overlap, okay, overlapping will happens from right to left, right? Whatever the rightmost will go to behind, and whatever the leftmost will come to forward. The next option that we got in this update is like sort by values. If you saw this here, it is not yet sorted, even though that it is overlapped. See, but it is not yet sorted by value. Here we can sort it by value, right? Whichever is highest will come to forward, whichever is the lowest will go to backward. This is the option that we got in the February update through layouts. And the next one is like we can now create IBS inspired styles also from the earlier normal styles. Okay, this is the regular style that we use when we wanted to use a cluster column charts. This is the way that we can modify that into IBCS inspired styles. And then one more other interesting thing that I want to follow more is like we can, right, have multiple lines, single lines style for the data labels. Either we can have both, we have like more than one data label that you want to show for that particular point, right? You can have it either in one line, like all the data labels, or you can split it into multiple lines, right? So these are the some of the updates and some of the interesting points, right, that I see. And I'll come up with another interesting video. Until then, have a great day. Thank you.